Hey, it's Dave, and this is Someday is Today. Hi, it's Dave with Some Days Today, and guess what? We're actually at base camp. The weather's improved a little bit, it's not raining as much, and I'm certainly glad to be here today with all of you. What we've got going for this particular video is a takeoff of the previous video as it relates to making decisions about going camping and the various ways that you could do that. So we'll be talking about a lot of great things, different types of RVs, trailers, motorhomes, and I hope you stay tuned. You've never been camping, you've never been in a tent, you've never had an RV or a trailer, whatever the case may be, because there's a broad spectrum of experience out there. Hopefully today's video will begin to help a little bit in answering and where that path is and how you can possibly get there and do the traveling and camping that you want to do. Remember, there's tremendous opportunities in life, and many times we unfortunately let those pass by. I think there's every person on the planet, certainly I'm one, that could say, you know, my life has had a lot of would've, could'ves, and should'ves, and if I'd have just done something a little different, maybe it would be I would be in a different place in my life. I don't know. I'm very happy with how everything's turned out so far, but there could have been different decisions along the road and certainly different decisions going forward. So hopefully this will provide some sort of inspiration. I think RV travel, I think camping, I think backpacking, even if you do it in your backyard, it's something different. It is therapeutic. It provides a time for you to experience something different, to get back to nature, and to get away from the rat race. And I think a lot of us want to do that. And I think it's very indicative over this last time period of a year and a half that people are wanting to make a change in what they have been doing and doing something different. And I think camping and traveling are fantastic for the human spirit and can be extremely enjoyable and provide a tremendous amount of wonderful memories. So, is it really as simple as ABC? That's the real question. Now in this next visual piece, again, I showed in the previous video, but it's a little more crystal clear, obviously here, the 8 different types of motorhomes and trailers and campers that I discussed with all of you, and pointing out the toy hauler, which is very similar to a travel trailer, the Class C motorhome, which is sort of part van, part motorhome, and one mistake I made too is indicating that the tent trailer was infamous, and that is not what I meant to say. So they're famous, a lot of people use them, but they do have a lot of issues with seasonality. They're really sort of a summertime kind of thing, I think, for the most part. So really, there you have it, in a nutshell, as briefly as I can. So see you down the road.